Hi guys, it's been more than 30 days since I have started working from home. Oh, you see, did you find any similarity in this statement? Because I feel more inclined that this statement matches Bear Grylls saying that when he lost in a jungle, he'll be saying like that I have been here more than 30 days and I am driving for food and shelter. It's been the same situation for us, even we are in the center of a city also. So this is my experience working from home compared to working from office. In the normal days, every day I woke up thinking like, oh, another day, I need to go to office. But now you see, I do not have any such motivation to wake up. I just have to wake up, get my laptop, and just start working on it. And even while leaving office every day in the normal world, I feel like, yeah, I have finished the work for the day and I am about to go to my work and I feel ecstatic. But now you know how it feels like to end the work of the day. I just close my laptop and keep it aside. That's it. I am here. The where I started the work, I end up being there even when I finish the work. There is no motivation and there is no feelings, there is no extremities, there is no disturbances, nothing from start of the day to end of the day. Know what is the most disturbing thing? No, you see, whenever I feel bored in the middle of the work, I'll call my wife to have a coffee. You want to see what's her response? Hey honey, can I have a coffee please?
No, baby, I'm in meeting. Help yourself.
See, this is what he says when I want a coffee. You know, right? Whenever we were in office, we can call our buddy and we'll get our cups and we'll have uh, a blasting 15 minutes of break time in which we can discuss many interesting things. But now you see, not even a coffee. So that's what it feels like when you work from home. And you want to know another thing? Whenever I have a doubt in office, I'll go to a dude and ask him, hey Macha, can you help me with this? And he'll come straight to my place and he'll help me with my doubt and he'll go. You know what? Now, whenever I have a small doubt, I have to schedule a meeting. You already might have faced this issue, right? Whenever we start the meeting, half of the meeting time will take just to confirm that can you hear me, am I audible, can you see my screen. This is what half the meeting is going to be, and the rest of the thing it's all about lagging with the internet connectivity and with software issues, hardware issues. You know, I don't feel this much scared in my life. Whenever I think of my laptop and workstation here, I always feels like what if my mouse stops working now, how can I get it done? You know, right? Whenever we're in office, there is always one IT guy to help us, but here everything is ours. But as a mechanical guy, working from home is a privilege for us. You see, right? We have never thought of working from home in our life, even in our dreams. When the first when the first proposal came about work from home, I felt very relaxed that yeah, now I can compete with my IT guys. I am also working from home. This is what I felt like when the first proposal came, and then it started work from home. You know, right? You know what will happen after a few days of work from home. Everything seems still, and the only good thing that happens in this work from home stage is, you see, after the day end and after the weekend, I'll have always this question from my wife like, let's go outside, let's go outside, let's go to this place, let's go to that place, let's go to shopping. You know what she says now? Whenever I want to go to buy some groceries, what she will say? No, don't go, order something, it will come. So this is the best thing that happened for me in this stage. And jokes apart, so it is a critical time for all of us and we need to support on this, and I feel privileged. My support matters now. And stay safe guys. Bye.